All right, guys, since I have arrived in Bangkok, I haven't taken some glimpse for you guys. You know, I love taking glimpse, right? This is now Bangkok. We have just arrived in Bangkok. This is Bangkok, guys. Being Bangkok, Bangkok. That is a city of Bangkok. City of Bangkok, you can see here. Here's the road, as you can see here. Everything, all the buildings has got lights. The other buildings, I think these people are sleeping. I'm not sure what's happening here, but you can see, I wish I could have another. Let me see if I can have another. I didn't get a chance, to take a glimpse of the apartment where we are in, but I'll take a tour tomorrow. This is another apartment where we are in. I'll take a tour tomorrow, guys, for you guys when I've got a chance, right? Yeah. So that's how it is. This is the room. Room is messy, but it's okay. You are able to see. So let me quickly go outside so I can see. I'll do an apartment review tomorrow when I've got time. Today, where's the opening here? Okay, so here you are able to go out. Yeah, all right. So this is another section. Another section. And that's how it is. All right, that's how it is. All right. So it's such a beautiful place. Before we actually, in 2022, we were staying in this building. Right, in this building. Such a beautiful place. And there on top there, it's the swimming pool on top there. Swimming pool. But we will see as time goes on. I will keep you guys posted. Right. I'll keep you guys posted. Such a beautiful place. We're going out now. We are going to have to the pool. Then I will let you know, guys. I'll keep you posted. Ish! I stepped on water. I thought there was no water outside. Look at my socks now. My socks are all wet.
Was it raining?
My socks are all wet. But give me some socks. Give me some socks, my baby. All right. So, guys, I'll keep you posted. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I'm here again. I came back at the same hotel where I was before, guys. Remember, I was here before. 2022. We were actually checked in that apartment. We checked out because of the. I didn't even take a video. I didn't even do a review, hotel review, because of it was bad room. So I decided, let me just go out and check out. So we're good. So that's why we are, guys. That's why we are. All right. So anyway, yeah. All right. I'll keep it, guys. Today, Khoza Chiefs is playing. Yeah. Khoza Chiefs is playing. The team in cool. Right, guys. So right, I'll keep you guys posted. All right. Thank you so much. It's so small. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. We just checked into another hotel. This is another hotel. We're doing a review. Right. This is Langsuan, Urbana, Langsuan. We're just checking their facilities. This is their lounge, and this is the kitchen. As you can see, this is the kitchen. They put such a nice, beautiful kitchen, guys. Beautiful kitchen. There's a fridge there. You see, there's a fridge there. Such a nice place. Fridge. Yeah, you can just cook as well. There's also a washing machine here where you can do your washing in the microwave. and also do some tea, coffee, whatever you find. Water as well there. There's water as well there. And there's also a stove where you can cook and everything, and also a small kitchen, but it's nice. And there's also cupboards where you can put your things, right? Right. So, if you look here, this is your lounge where you sit with your family and relax. And then with a small table as well here, where you can sit and relax, maybe read or whatsoever, right? And then here is the TV, small TV, but I'm using it for my PC, right? And there's a study or table where you can study. If you've got a laptop, you can sit and put there whatever you can do, right? And also here is a nice section here as well. There's a nice view also here, right? Then here you can see there's a nice view here, right? Nice view, and I'm just wondering how it is at night. Such a beautiful place, as you can see, beautiful place, right? But let me quickly take it this side, as you can see. That's how it is, very nice, nice place. The place is called Urbana Langsuan, right? Urbana Langsuan, such a beautiful place. And there's a small balcony here where you can sit and then be able to view outside. You know, this is the outside. This is the outside. You can see such a beautiful place. We were actually in that hotel, but we checked out because we're not happy about the room. The hotel was expensive, but then it was just expensive for nothing. So we're not happy about the service. So we decided, no, we're just gonna check out, and then at least we go out and we book another something better. You know what I'm saying? It's always important, you know, when you pay for your money, you know, when you book, you must be able to be happy for the service you are getting from the hotel. But it can't be like that. So we decided, no, we're not gonna do that. We checked out. We checked out actually well in advance, you know, before 4 days before we could, check out, right? So here is a kids main room. It's a kids room. It's a kids room where you are. You can see you have got a small table here as well, where you can study, and also there's this is their room, and you've got such a beautiful room view as well. You know, especially at night, it will be very nice. Such a beautiful place. You can see you'll have a nice view there as well. Nice view there as well, and as you know, it's such a beautiful place, guys. You know, yeah, it is such a beautiful place, and there's cupboards there and everything. Just my kids, they left everything like that. So if you go out of here, I'm gonna show you my my main room. This is my main bedroom. All right, our main bedroom. When you enter, you have here. You've got a shower. You've got a toilet and a shower. Toilet and a shower, which is not bad, guys. Toilet and a shower. That's how it is, and so forth. So now let's quickly check the kids' bathroom. The kids' bathroom. Yes, I'm gonna go with you up. Yeah, you're gonna go with me, okay? Let me finish here. I'm gonna go with you. The kids' bathroom, guys. This is their toilets. You have the toilets here. I'm gonna quickly go up and show you guys the pool, right? I'm gonna show you guys the pool, right? Right. So let me quickly do this. Show you guys my room. I showed you guys my room, right? So guys, now here I just want to quickly show you guys the place. This is the pool. What a nice, wonderful pool, guys. It's a beautiful place, as you can see here. Right, the pool. People are on the swimming pool, and you can see also there's an entrance going straight into the hotels.
They now have these hotels.
And also here, you've got such a beautiful beautiful view as well, especially at night. It's such a beautiful place, guys. Right? You can see here, right? You can swim as well. Such a beautiful place. Just to show you guys how beautiful this place is. Such a beautiful place, guys. Beautiful place, beautiful place. Right. So, the swimming pools are very nice and clean. Very nice and clean. And as you can see here, let's go up. We've been here before, so we are here for the second time. We stayed here for about a month. The last time we stayed here, we stayed for a month. We are back again. This is a small jacuzzi, small jacuzzi, right? And here you can see you have such a beautiful section as well, right? But you can see there, such a beautiful area, right? Beautiful place. Yeah. Then yeah, and here is Bangkok. This is Bangkok, guys. The CBD of Bangkok, right? Bangkok, CBD of Bangkok. Such a beautiful place. Nice place, guys. This place is beautiful, beautiful. Right. So you can see it's not it's a beautiful place. You know, very good place. You know, it's such a beautiful place. I love the fact that the mommy is with the children. See, mommy is with the children, right? They are swimming, right? Beautiful, right? Always nice. Go out with your family, take them out. You know, having a wonderful time together with your family, right? So we're going back. To show you guys. I wanted to show you guys their facilities, right? We're going up.
No, we're going back down.
And here, there's also a gym here, where you can see the gym. There's a gym here.
Big dark here and then it gets lighter there.
Yeah, they've got such a beautiful gym, guys. Hi, how are you? Got such a beautiful gym, and as you can see, their machines almost similar to the ones that we had at, I think there's also upstairs. Yeah, there is also upstairs where you can, there's also more machines, more gym, you know, equipments and so forth, right? You can see here, there was such a beautiful place, you know, such a nice, wonderful place. So there's machines here, you can always, you know, come and relax. Yeah, all right. So we were staying in this hotel, in this center point. We checked out because of the rooms were not up to standard. We left, and I said no. I checked 3 days out, 3 days before our booking. So we canceled 3 days more. We decided to leave and then check in here. Because at least here we've been here before. So like I said, we stayed here for 1 month the last time when we were here. So I said, okay, it's better for me to come and be here, right? So guys, I'll keep you posted as time goes on. And then we will take it from there. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All right. We're here to give you the best content, right? So as time goes, we'll keep on giving you guys the best content as time goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for support. Really appreciate it. Thank you.